If you think multitasking is helping you get more done, I've got bad news. It's actually killing your productivity and your brain. In fact, studies show it can slash your efficiency by up to 40%. Imagine throwing away nearly half your workday without even realizing it. Today, I'm going to show you the exact method I use to break free from multitasking, focus like a laser, and finish my work in nearly half the time, without burning out. And I'll give you a simple 3-step system you can start using today that works even if you feel completely overwhelmed. A few years ago, I was proud of being a multitasker. I'd have 10 tabs open, my phone buzzing, coffee in hand, and a to-do list that looked like an Amazon receipt. I thought I was being efficient until I realized I wasn't actually finishing anything. My brain felt like a web browser with 37 tabs open, some of them frozen, all of them slowing me down. One day, after missing a big deadline, I decided something had to change. That's when I stumbled across research that made my jaw drop. Neuroscientists at Stanford found that people who regularly multitask perform worse on memory tests, have trouble filtering out distractions, and actually take longer to switch between tasks. The brain simply isn't designed to juggle multiple complex tasks at once. Every time you switch, your brain pays a context-switching tax. It has to reload the information from the previous task. And that can take anywhere from 15 seconds to several minutes. Multiply that across a workday, and you lose hours without realizing it. So here's the 3-step method I use to fix it. Step 1. Identify your deep work windows. These are the hours when your brain naturally has the most energy. For me, it's 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. During this time, I pick one high-impact task and make it my absolute focus. Step 2. The single task sprint. I set a timer for 25 minutes, turn off all notifications, and commit to working on that single task. No checking email, no bouncing to another tab. Step 3. The parking lot list. Whenever a random thought or new task pops into my head, I write it down on a separate list. This way, I capture it without letting it derail my focus. The results blew me away. Within 1 week, I was finishing projects in half the time. My stress levels dropped, and for the first time in years, I felt in control of my day. And here's the best part. This isn't just about work. I've had subscribers tell me this method helped them study for exams, write books, even get chores done faster so they could spend more time with family. If you've been stuck in the multitasking trap, here's your challenge. Tomorrow, pick one 2-hour block. Choose your most important task and commit to single tasking for that entire block using the sprint method. Then, come back here and tell me what happened. I read every comment and I'd love to hear your results. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button because in my next video, I'll share the exact nighttime routine I use to prepare for deep work. And it's something 90% of people get wrong.